if you're experiencing an installation loop with Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Restart your computer. Shut down your computer completely and then restart it. This can help clear temporary files and processes that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Check disk space. Ensure that you have enough disk space available on your hard drive. Red Dead Redemption 2 requires a significant amount of space, so free up some space if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software or firewall, as they may be interfering with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This can often resolve persistent installation issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop and enjoy your game. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.